to get a very nice, smooth, rounded flavor to the dish.
Consuming milk every day will strengthen your bones when you're growing up, will strengthen your teeth as you grow up. The Karak chai culture is so strong here.
Rich, creamy and super tasty.
It's low in cholesterol but high in protein. At the same time, it's very creamy and it's very tasty as well.
Good, rich and tasty, good chai, bhai. Thank you.
So I'm going to use this evaporated milk because it has no added sugar. This will make my smoothie thicker, creamier, and so delicious.